Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to use Amazon Digital Rewards. This is a fantastic way to make the most of your promotional credits or gift card balance when purchasing digital content like ebooks, movies, music, and apps on Amazon. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to Amazon.com. Go ahead and log into your account. Once you're signed in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page where you'll see Account and Lists. Hover your mouse over this option, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Account. This will take you to your main account settings page where you can manage various aspects of your Amazon experience. Next, click on Gift Cards. This section is where all your gift card balances and digital rewards are managed, making it the central hub for redeeming and tracking your credits. Once you're in the gift cards area, look at the left panel and click on Redeem a Gift Card. This is where you'll activate any new promotional credits or gift card codes you've received. Now enter your claim code in the designated field. Make sure you type it exactly as it appears, including any dashes or special characters. After entering the code, click Apply to your balance. This will add the credit to your account and you'll be able to use it for eligible purchases. Here's an important note to keep in mind. Amazon Digital Rewards usually work on specific types of digital content, including Kindle ebooks, Prime Video rentals or purchases, Amazon Music downloads, apps, and digital software. They typically won't apply to physical products or other services, so it's crucial to use them for these digital items to get the full benefit. For instance, let's say you want to purchase a Kindle ebook. In the top search bar, type Kindle ebooks and hit Enter. This will bring up a wide selection of available titles. Browse through the results and select your preferred Kindle ebook from the list. Once you've found the one you want, click on it to view the details. In the right panel, you'll see a button that says Buy Now with one click. Click this button to proceed with your purchase. At this stage, you'll be taken to the payment selection screen. Here's where your Amazon Digital Rewards come into play. You should see your Amazon Digital Rewards or promotional balance displayed as a payment option. In many cases, it may automatically apply to your purchase if the item is eligible. If it doesn't apply automatically, you can manually tick it as a payment method to ensure the credit is used. The credit will be deducted automatically from your total if the item qualifies for digital rewards. You'll see the updated price reflecting the deduction before you finalize the transaction. Finally, click Place Your Order to complete the purchase. Your Kindle ebook will be delivered to your device instantly, and you've successfully used your Amazon Digital Rewards. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.